Welcome to the fascinating world of prototyping, a crucial step in turning design dreams into tangible products by Design to Product Limited. At Design to Product, the journey begins with an idea. Skilled designers and engineers brainstorm, sketch, and bring ideas to life through advanced software. Prototyping is where creativity meets reality. A myriad of materials and cutting-edge 3D printing technologies transform concepts into physical models. Each prototype undergoes rigorous testing and refinement. Design to Product provides a window into this meticulous process of trial and error, leading to perfection. The evolution from a prototype to a final product is a journey of transformation. On Design to Product Limited, witness how initial models evolve into market-ready products. Every successful product has a story. Design to Product showcases these stories, from humble prototypes to innovative products changing our world. Discover more behind-the-scenes stories of product development at Design to Product Limited. Join us in shaping the future of design. designtoproduct.com, where designs come to life. If you believe a brief meeting with our founder and CEO could mark the start of a collaborative partnership, where our team can contribute to the success of your tasks or projects, we invite you to schedule a meeting through our Calendly link listed together in this video.